So I was sent this rollator walker by FlyingJoy, from FlyingJoy, and this is what it looks like out of the box. I'm going to put it together, let you guys know how hard it was, how much aggravation it was, and then we're going to go through all the features and see how it is. Okay, one thing I'm noticing right off the bat, they're going to make this really easy for us because on each of the legs here, there's numbers that match up with numbers on each of the wheels and stuff. So that's a really nice feature. Okay, that whole thing went together in 10 minutes. It would have been less if my cat hadn't been helping, but yeah, it was super easy. The parts line up. You can see that it's adjustable in height in so many different ways. You can adjust the handle height here and the wheel height down here. Comes in a bunch of different colors. So if this is not your color, then don't worry about it. It comes in others, although this is a really pretty blue. So the wheels have reflectors. So if you're out and about outside, it's going to pick up on reflections. These wheels, they look like plastic. They are not. They are like a thick, solid rubber. So you're not going to get like a flat, like they're not inflated. They're just solid rubber. So they're going to be able to handle a whole lot of terrain. You've got your brakes, which, you're going to pull up here to control this down here. But also, if you flip these down when you want to sit, right? So if you want to sit, you just pop them both down and neither wheel will move. So it stops it from rolling anywhere. The hand grips are nice. It's just a nice ergonomic feel for your hands. The seat is huge and comfortable. And again, because you can adjust the height here, you can adjust it so that the person that's going to be using it, it can comfortably sit. You've got a huge, I don't know if you can tell how big that is, but there's a lot of room in there. You can stick a purse, a lunch, or whatever. If you're out and about and you want to put like a wallet or something that's a little bit more secure in here in the Velcro pouch. You have a water bottle holder on the side here. And on this side, you've got a cane holder. So you can put your cane here and into that little spot down there. So this is a very versatile little rollator. And that back seat rest is huge. It's very comfortable. And this is going to be able to handle indoor and outdoor terrain fantastically.